Number 13, exercise 7a, question number 13. Okay, question number 13. Uh, okay, exercise 7a. This is from the exercise 7a, question number 13. And the question is 6 bracket 3x minus 2 minus 5 bracket 6x minus 1, which is equal to 3 bracket x minus 8 minus 5 7x plus 6 plus 9x. Yes, this is the question now. So multiply it, Rajni, fast. I want you can do the solution. 6 threes are fatafat. 6 threes are. Rajni, are you able to listen my voice? 6 threes are 18x minus. Okay, now next 30, not 13, it's 30x. 30, yes. Yes. Next, do it fast. Uh-huh. 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 ठीक है, तो अब डाउट क्या है इसमें? Now tell me, where is the doubt? Collect the like term. Collect the like term, Rajni. Now this is the like terms. Now Rajni, tell me 18x. Okay. Now tell me 18 minus 30 is minus 12x. Minus 12x. Minus 12 plus no, minus 12 plus 5. It is minus 7. Okay. And 9, now 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 9 plus 3 is 12 and 35 minus. So 35 minus 29. दोबारा चेक करो. Is it visible to you? This is positive 9 and this is 3. So it will be 12. So 12 minus 35. 12 minus 35 is 23. This is the confusion. Yes, minus 23x and now minus 24 minus 30 minus 54. Yes? Now, yes. Now move the minus 23 to the LHS side and minus 7 to the RHS side. Minus 12x plus 23x is equal to minus 54 plus 7. So what is the, this is 12 and this 11x is equal to this is 7 means 47 minus 47. So x is equal to minus 47 upon 11. Now you can check the calculation. It's your calculation. Now you check the calculation if the answer is wrong. I think and now the I think the answer is right. 7A. 7A question number. What is the question number? Question number is 13. 7A question number 13 minus 1. The answer is not right. So now check 3x minus 30. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what about the 9? What about the 9? What about the 9? 9x. 9x is there at the last. Plus 9x. Okay, let us see. We can calculate. 6 3s are 18x, 6 2s are 12, 30x. Now it is plus 5. 3x, 24, 35. This is minus 30 and then this. Okay. Now collect the like term. 18, 30, minus 12, plus 5. Done. 3x, then minus 35, plus 9. Now minus 24, minus 30. Okay. So here 18 minus 30 is minus 12x, and this is plus 12 minus 5. So it will be 7. Now 3 plus 9 is 12, and 35 minus 12 is 35 is the negative, and the plus 12 is equal to minus 3, and 3 1 2 23. So it will be 23x, and now minus 24 and minus 30. How do we, just a moment, minus 5. Yes, see, here is the mistake. It will be plus. It will be plus. So now this is the mistake. It is plus 6. Clear? And here is the mistake. Now it is 17. Minus 12x plus 23x is equal to 6 plus, sorry, 6, 6 minus 17. So it will be minus x is equal to 11, minus 11. Sorry, plus 11x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 11 upon 11, which is equal to minus 1. Now the solution is right. Please, क्या किसका डाउट था ये? Please check this solution. Okay. Now clear, Ojas? Ojas, now clear the solution. Ankita, no one is listening my voice. Yes, Rajni, now see. There is two error. One is this and one is this. You have to check when you are asking the question. You have to check कि कहाँ पर क्या गलती है, ठीक है? और यही यही तुम यही यही तुम्हें ध्यान रखना है. यू हैव टू टेक केयर अबाउट दिस व्हाइल राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन. मैंने तुम्हें दिखाया ये कि मैंने दो जगह पे क्वेश्चन को गलत लिखा है, इसलिए मेरा आंसर गलत आया. ओके, now it is clear. So this is the doubt basically. If you write the question wrong, then your answer must be wrong. So take care about the question. Now the next doubt, please. Ankita, you have any doubt? बोलो, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? आकृति. ओके आकृति, टेल मी योर डाउट प्लीज. फटाफट जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. हाँ हाँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. रीड द क्वेश्चन प्लीज. Okay. Now, according to question, this question is from exercise 7B and the question number is 15. We have to divide 184 in two part. Yes? We have to divide 144 into two parts. Divide 144 into two parts such that one third of, तो सबसे पहले हम let तो करें. Now the let. See, we have to divide in two parts. So we let ki first part may be the x. If the first part is x, what will be the second part? Suppose our first part is Akriti 45. So what is the second part? If it is first part, then what is the second part? Akriti, if the first part is 45, then the second part is what? Good. And now the first part is x. Then second part is what? ठीक है, इतना समझ आया? Okay, now this is 184 minus x. So the first part is x and the second part is 184 minus x. Now the question. Now the question is one third of one part may exceed the 1/7 of other part by 8 and इसमें कोई क्लियरिटी नहीं है कि कौन सा पार्ट पहले आएगा और कौन सा पार्ट बाद में आएगा. जस्ट सच दैट वन थर्ड ऑफ वन पार्ट, तो 1/3x, one third means 1/3x, and now may exceed 1/7 of other part by 8. Okay, 1/7 is equal to 8. मतलब first part is greater than second part by 8. Exceed means greater. So first part is greater than the second part by 8. So this is the solution. You can just calculate it. This is 1/3x minus. Now you can cancel here. 184 I think divisible by 7. नहीं होता है क्या? 7 2 is 14 and now it is 44. Oh, ठीक है, divisible नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं. तो हम इसे लिख देते हैं, दिस इज -184/7 and now it is plus 1/7x is equal to 8. So now we transfer this to this side and the question is now 1/3x plus 1/7x is equal to 8 plus 184/7. Yes or no? See, if we transfer this -184/7 to the RHS side, so the leftover is 1/3x plus 1/7x is equal to 8 plus 184/7. Now the LCM is 21. Now the LCM is 21. So this is 7x plus 3x is equal to, and here the LCM is 7. Yes? And now 7 8s are 56 plus 184. So what is the total? 184 plus 56, it will be 10, 1 carry. And this is what? 8 और 6 14 का 1 240. Now this is visible, na? So 184 plus 184 plus 56 is equal to, Ankita, this is 10/21x is equal to, यहाँ कितना आया जल्दी से बताओ? 190 plus 50, 240/7. So x is equal to 240 upon 7 into 21 upon 10. So 24 थ्रीजा, अब ये तो बता दो 24 थ्रीजा कितना होता है? 24 threes are 72. So the first part is 72 and the second part is 184 minus 72. तो कितना हुआ? 112. Now clear Akriti? Okay. Next doubt please. जल्दी जल्दी डाउट पूछो because we don't have too much time. Ahana, you have any doubt? Tell me. बोलो बोलो, तुम्हारी बारी आ गई. एक्सरसाइज 7B क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगी? पढ़ दो, एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. हाँ जी पढ़ो. हम्म. 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 प्रेजेंट एज ना? ठीक है. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर प्लीज एक बार रिपीट कर दो. 21. Now the question number 21. 5 years ago, man was 7 times as old as his son. 5 years hence, father will be 3 times as old. अच्छा, okay. See, तीन स्टेज है. One is the present, and one is the future, and one is the past. Yes. Now 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले, a man was 7 times old his son. सपोज करते हैं सन यहाँ है, इट विल बी एक्स, तो मैन क्या हो गया? 7x. इट्स अ 7 times. Yes. And what is the difference between present, past and present? It's 5 years. After 5 years means after 5 years the present age will be x plus 5 of the sun and 7x plus 5 of the sun. Please, Anna, yes, now see. Anna, देख रहे हो? क्वेश्चन में लिखा है कि 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his son. तो 5 साल पहले से ही हमने स्टार्ट किया. लेट द एज ऑफ सन बी एक्स, सो द मैन्स एज इज 7x. एंड आफ्टर 5 years, 5 के बाद, सन्स एज इज x plus 5 एंड मेन्स एज इज 7x plus 5. नाउ व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर? फ्यूचर के बारे में फ्यूचर में कितना डिफरेंस है? 5 years hence, again there is 5 years. Okay. So in future, what is the age? 5 plus 10 for the sun and 7x plus 10 for the sun. ये ऐसे ऐड हुआ है x plus 5 plus 5 and this is 7x plus 5 plus 5. Okay. And now 5 years hence the father will be 3 times as. So according to question, how do we equate the how do we make the LHS and RHS equal? X plus 5 and the father will be 3 times. Now you see the father will be 3 times of the age of son. So like this, father is 3 times of the son. So that is why 3 times of son is equal to the father's age. Now this is 3x plus 15 is equal to 7x plus 5. Now transfer this and this. So it is 3x minus 7x is equal to 5 minus 15. So it will be minus 4x is equal to minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. So now the minus minus is cancel. X is equal to 10 upon 4. कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया क्या? ओह सॉरी यार, 5 क्यों लिया है? 10 है ये. It will be 30, sorry, and this is 10. So 10 minus 30, which is equal to 4x is equal to 20. Now x is equal to, this is minus and minus, minus minus cancel. So 20 upon 4 is equal to 5. Here the age is 5. So we can move here. So the present age of the sun is 10 year, and now here 35. So the present age of the man is 40 years. This is the answer. Clear, Ahana? कोई डाउट है तो पूछो फिर से. अभी क्लियर है तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. ठीक है. Okay, I will take one more doubt from any more students. कोई और है जिसके पास डाउट है? आना, you have anyone doubt because you was absent in the past? I take one more doubt please. किसी के पास भी कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछ ले जल्दी से. I will take one more doubt. No doubt? आकृति, आना, anyone, हर्ष, रजनी, कोई भी नहीं है? हाँ हाँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Exercise 7A, question number 28. 28. And this is from the exercise 7A. The question is 0.18 5x minus 4 is equal to 0.5x plus 0.8. Yes, this is the question, Anna. So 18 5s is what? 40, 90. So 0.18 multiplied by 5. So it will be 0.9x. ये मल्टीप्लाई किया है. And 18 fours are 18. 18 fours are 4 8s are 4 8s are 32 372. It will be again 0.72 minus 0.72 is equal to 0.5x plus 0.8. So now transfer this to this side. 0.9x minus 0.5x is equal to, and transfer this to this side. So it is 0.8 plus 0.72. It will be 0.4x is equal to, and this is 0.80 and 0.72. It will be 7, and this is 15, 1 carry 1.52. So it is 1.52. So x is equal to 1.52 upon 0.4. This is 10 and this is 100. Now 4 से इसको cancel कर दो. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Yes, wait. 4 3s are 12. And this 38. 38 upon 10, which is equal to 3.8 is the answer for x. Clear? Okay, bye bye everyone. Take care and the best of luck for your revision. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.